march as one. Iron wills and blazing guns. Through the trees, through the dust, we bring the storm, turn up to rust. Battle cries, thunder roars. The brothers fall, they ain't no more. Steel and honor, death's embrace. The vets ride on, we own this place. They came with hope, but they'll leave in shame. Tattered flags and broken names. Their plastic storms, they miss their mark, while we strike true swift in the dark. No mercy, no peace, this war ain't fair. They never stood a chance out there. Final charge, the end is near. Let 'em run, we'll hunt 'em here. Muscle war, we march as one. To rust, cold but the leaving shame.